Hello students, this is a video that will help you do this ratio activity. That's this orange worksheet, and it says express any ratio below as a fraction in lowest terms. Find this ratio in the answer columns and notice the number to the left of it. Each time this number appears in the code, write the letter of the problem above it. Keep working and you will decode the message. So, first one is S, 4 to 12. So again, we write that as a fraction, 4 over 12. Now we want to simplify that. So we take our handy dandy calculator, 1, ABC 3. 4, ABC 12, and that equals 1/3. Now we look over here for 1/3 and we see that it is 5. So wherever there's a 5, you put an S at the bottom. Okay. Next, it's 15 over 25. So we just go 15, ABC 25. You're letting the calculator do all the work for you. So that one, 3/5. We find 3/5 and we see that is number 7. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and do F, 21 to 49. Write it as a fraction, and then I have to simplify it. 21 ABC 49. 3/7. Okay. Look over here, 3/7 is 17. So again, wherever these numbers are, 17 is, you put an F. Wherever there's a 7, you put a Y. Wherever there's a 5, you put an S. And that will be part of the fractions there, or the coding of the message. Next, I'm gonna have you do N, K, and E, and make sure you simplify each of those. One of the problems with the answers is it's not all the way simplified. For example, 8 over 1, that should simplify to 8. Also, another thing, if you have 60 over 13, if I put 60 ABC 13, the calculator simplifies that to 4 and 8 over 13. And if I need that in decimal form, that might be what you get on the calculator. So again, fraction form is much simpler, and you do the fraction form by doing second and the arrow down here at the bottom. Okay, you can change it decimal, second, back to fraction. 4 and 8 13ths, okay? And that would be the 1 or 60 over 13 whenever you find the answer there, okay? So that's true on that one. 5/4 could also be 1 and 1/4. So some of these answers are not completely simplified, and they should be. So just find the different forms of the same fraction and you should be fine. Okay. So 1/5 to 1/2. And you just take your handy dandy calculator, 1 ABC 5, and then I'm going to put divided by 1 ABC 2. 2/5. And find that on your paper. Okay, so this one again, you would just divide. This one, put 3/8. I'm going to go ahead and do T. I'll let you do G on your own. So I go 3 ABC 8 divided by 2 ABC 1 ABC 4. So that's 2 and 1/4. And then I put equals 1/6. Okay. And I'm running out of room here, but you need to put 3/8 divided by 2 and 1/4. And that equals 1/6. So again, find it on this part, number 3. So all the 3's should be T. Now this next part is a little bit tricky. And again, I'll let you do R, W, and L on your own, as well as G. I will go ahead and do U, 40 seconds to 3 minutes. If I write 40 seconds, I have to make sure they're the same units. So I'm going to change these 3 minutes to seconds. So if I do that, and it's 60 seconds per minute, I'm going to say 60 times 3, so I have 180 seconds right there. So I take 40 and I put it over 180, and then I simplify. 40 over 180, I can cross out the zeros. 4 over 18, and then 2 goes into both, which will be 2/9. So again, if I've done something wrong, I won't find the answer over here. So 2/9 is 13 right there. So I say that U is 13. Okay. I'll let you do H. I would just give you the hint that $3 I would change to pennies, like how many pennies in $3, and then do the ratio from there. Okay, next I'll go ahead and do a couple of story problems here. World record, Wilt Chamberlain scored 100 points in a single basketball game on March 2nd, 1962. In that game, he made 36 field goals or baskets in 63 attempts. Find the ratio of field goals to attempts. So he made 36 field goals. In how many attempts? 63. Okay. So then I just put it in here. 36, and I could do divide, but I'm going to keep it in fractions so that it'll simplify it for me in fraction form. 4/7. So then I find 4/7 to the right, and I'll let you figure that one on your own. I'll let you do A and O. I'm going to jump to letter C. The Boston Bruins hockey team set a winning record 57 games against 7 ties and 14 losses. Find the ratio of games won to games played. So they won 57 games, but how many games did they play all together? They played 57 that they won, plus 7 that they tied, plus 14 losses. So we're going to have 57 over, and we have to add all those 3 together. So we have 57 plus 7 plus 14. 78. So they played 78 games and they won 57. So then, since that's entered as a fraction, I will put it 57, ABC, 78. 19 over 26. Okay. So 19 over 26, and if you look to the right hand side, 19 over 26 is 15. So we know that 15 will be C, and you put C wherever you see 15. Okay, students, I'll let you do the rest of this. You rock.